The overall features and versatility of our MetFab Rebel press brake are amazing. One of the main features I'm most excited about is the adjustability and ease of tooling changes. First, we're going to open our cabinet door, move our safety laser up and out of the way, unlock our punch, and slide it out the end. Tooling adjustment is very simple on this machine. All we have to do is unlock the clamps and slide our punch down, lift up, and lock it into place. Setting a new punch on this machine is very simple. Unlock the clamps, slide your punch up, and lock down. Changing dies is easy as well. It's as easy as pulling up the die, rotating to the desired V shape and depth, and you're ready to go. Now that our machine is started and ready to go, we're going to bend one of our Hauk Off-Road Predator Series front bumper ends. First thing we're going to do to bend our bumper end is go through our parts library and pull up the program for our front bumper cap. Next, we're going to determine what die and punch we're going to use and set up the machine accordingly. For this particular part, we're going to use this punch combination and a 22mm die combination. Now that we have our punch and die set up, we're ready to bend. Here at Hauk Off-Road, most of our bending input is done manually, but this machine has a neat feature where you can input a DXF drawing via USB stick or a network connection. Another really cool feature of our MetFab press brake are these movable supports. They're fully adjustable for height and size.
So one of the features about the MetFab press brake that we really like is the fact that the DXF drawings can be imported directly into the computer to set up bend programs for all of our parts. That enables us to cut out all the guesswork. The backstop automatically adjusts right where it needs to be. We insert the piece, and we know that when we're gonna bend it, it's gonna be bent accurately every single time.